In this video, I'll show you how to add a contact form in Squarespace. Start by signing into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. Next, navigate to the page where you want to place the contact form and click Edit. After that, click Add Block in the section where you want the form to appear. Now search for and select the form block. Next, choose a pre-built form or start with the default contact form. After that, click the form to edit it. Add, remove, or rearrange fields such as name, email, phone, subject, and message to match the information you want to collect. Now open the storage or post-submit settings and choose where form submissions should be sent, such as your email address or another connected storage option. Next, customize the submit button text and the confirmation message visitors will see after submitting the form. After that, adjust the form's design, spacing, colors, and fonts to match your website. Now click Save and use Preview to test the contact form by submitting a sample response. Finally, click Done, then Save, and publish your website so visitors can start using the contact form. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a contact form in Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.